ChatGPT Pro versus Copilot Pro. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be differentiating between the two most used chatbot AIs out there, and we're going to be seeing which one of their pro plans is better to work along with. Now, it feels like artificial intelligence is in everything these days: TVs, laptops, phones, websites, even PDF editors, okay? And ChatGPT and Copilot are pretty good at providing those regimens. And the most important thing is that both of them are free to use, but they do offer paid plans. Now, if you come over here, ChatGPT offers its Pro plan, and Copilot also offers its Plus plans that you can find over here, okay? Now, both of these paid plans do work amazingly. They do have different features, and that's what we're going to be talking about. So, first of all, let's talk about the benefits of Copilot Pro. Now, Copilot Pro is a $20 per month subscription that grants priority access to Copilot's latest AI models, higher usage limits, and early access to new features. So, basically, Copilot Pro is a more advanced and more capable version of the basic Copilot AI chatbot. Copilot Pro also launched recently in January 2024, which isn't too long ago, and signing up with it unlocks priority access to new different models that you can take advantage of for better generative AI for more useful results. Meanwhile, free users are sometimes restricted and don't have access to the latest AI models. On top of that, Copilot Pro users can use the Copilot voice feature to speak with the AI chatbot in conversational mode, and they get 100 daily credits for creating images with Copilot. So, the real selling point of Copilot Pro, in my opinion, is the integration with Microsoft 365 applications. So, in Word, Copilot can draft, rewrite, and summarize your documents. In Excel, it can go ahead and create tables, spaces, and a whole lot more. So you can also go ahead and research and check out the Microsoft 365 Copilot features and plans to work along with. So simply what you're going to want to do is just get the Copilot Pro platform and start reinventing your whole Microsoft Office space. Okay. Now, enough about Copilot. Let's talk about ChatGPT's Pro plan. Now, ChatGPT's Pro plan is a hefty plan. It's a $200 per month subscription, which is quite huge, but that unlocks a number of additional capabilities in OpenAI's ChatGPT AI chatbot. Now, for starters, it grants greater access to the latest GPT 4.0, o1, o1 mini, and advanced voice models. So, if there's server downtime, free users are likely to be restricted, but the Pro subscribers are not, which is pretty cool. You know, you get a proper premium feeling. You can also build custom GPTs for a range of uses, where I've made a few of my own over the past years, which is pretty cool. And ChatGPT Pro can work with a range of data to crawl through, where it can summarize them, answer questions based on them, and in the case of images, it can edit them or even generate new images based on your prompts. And the best part about ChatGPT Pro is you can get a whole decree of it in OpenAI's website, where they give you the proper detailings and sections on how they've made it different and fluid. So, when it comes to the proper conclusion of Copilot Pro and ChatGPT Pro, the premium AI chatbot, which is right for you, is that they're both imperfect tools that need to be used in the right way for the right purposes in order to benefit from them. Now, they're both great for augmenting your work and playing with little AI assistants. Neither can operate entirely independently without editing or curating, and neither is strictly better than the other. But for my own personal needs, I'd say ChatGPT Pro takes the win. But obviously, if you are a person that uses the Microsoft 365 space, then definitely I would say Copilot is the one for you. So do let me know down in the comments below what you think about all of this and what you chose personally for yourself. And that is all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.